It's the season to bake, and we quite literally have the scoop on the essentials to make it happen. Here with the must-have items you need to take your holiday baking recipes to the next level is pro baker of the Dutchy of Millbrook, Elizabeth Mayhew. Thanks for being here.
So starting off, always spray your pans. Baker's Joy is amazing. It is a combination of greasing your pan and flouring it, which makes for the easiest release in things like bundt cakes, muffins, regular cakes. You always want to start with that. Next up, all vegetable shortening like Crisco. This is a staple in my house. Experienced bakers have always depended on Crisco, so it makes it super flaky. It also helps cakes and things keep their shape and helps them rise. Another pantry staple you have to have is great baking powder. This one is Clabber Girl. It's been around for 100 years. Next up, spices. Spice Islands is a great brand. The spices give your baked goods like ginger cookies and pumpkin pie all that flavor. Lastly, I only cook with pure vanilla. This one happens to be from Spice Islands too. Pure vanilla is a great substitute for sweeteners. So if you want to add a little bit to yogurt, add a little bit to your coffee, but really it's going to give depth to all your baked goods. So if you want recipes or more ideas, go to bakingathome.com and happy baking.